Hi, this is Chris Youngblood here. I'm a product manager at NerdRabbit. I'm kind of your trail guide to anything nerdly related. We are creating this tutorial video to teach people a little bit about the offering that we have currently added to the AWS Marketplace and how they can use that to bring on high-level AWS talent to support their team. So let's get a little bit into it. What we're trying to do is we've created a product so that people can find permanent employees who have a skill set in either DevOps, cloud architecture, really anything around the AWS space to come on and support their team. Though what we've done to do that is create a chatbot that we now offer on the marketplace so that you can essentially bill your staffing fees directly to your marketplace bill. Now, the way that we're going to do that is first, we're going to go to the home page of the AWS Marketplace. You can find that at aws.amazon.com/marketplace. Once you're there, you will see a search bar at the top where you can type in NerdRabbit. Now to clarify, that is all one word, NerdRabbit. When you click that, you should see our logo with a white rabbit wearing glasses, and you can click that to go see our actual offering. Once you go in there, you'll see a bit of a product overview. It'll tell you a little bit about our service and what it offers, the pricing component of it, and even our terms and conditions, just so you can better understand how we do business, what our pricing is, things like that. Now, one thing I do want you to consider when you're looking at this is you'll see a free trial version of the software. That is what I am recommending every single one of our customers to select. This is only the first module of our fully fledged Nerdly software that will be coming out later. So we want this to be free for everyone to use in its chatbot functionality up until we create our new, more robust software that's going to offer, frankly, much more searching capacity for all of our customers. So if you select that free trial, it'll give you free access to our chatbot up until we then release our Nerdly software, which will eventually replace this. Now, once you've looked through it, say you have a DevOps engineer that you want to hire, you can go to continue to subscribe, and that will take you to the checkout page where then you can select all the kind of specs of this. So as I said before, do make sure that you select the free trial version for your pricing, and then you can go to set up your contract. Once you sign up for your contract, you'll have the option to set up your account, which will take you directly to our NerdRabbit site. Once you're at our NerdRabbit site, you'll see a registration page. You'll want to put your email on that registration page, as well as a password there. You won't need to access this again. This is just to establish a connection between AWS's marketplace and your account on AWS with our website. Once you hit submit there, you'll be redirected straight to our chatbot. Once you're at our chatbot, you can just tell us exactly what you're looking to hire. You can tell us the type of job it is, the most important skills to you, if it's remote or if it's on site in a specific city, and give us all the general details that you have on this opening. And if you want to talk to us more, to talk to a recruiter, give us some more in-depth details, you can select to do that as well inside our chatbot. At which point, our team of cloud-certified recruiters will get to work finding you the perfect candidate for your role. Now, once we've found the perfect candidate, the real trick of this is getting this to go to your AWS Marketplace bill. The way we're currently doing that through this chatbot is through what's called a private offer. In the AWS Marketplace, you have public offerings, like what you selected when you signed up for NerdRabbit, which was a free offering, and private offerings, which are really customizable single offerings that you can send to any AWS account. Since we don't currently have payment processing built into our chatbot functionality, that's something that will come in our full Nerdly software. We're doing all of this through private offerings right now. So what you do when you want to hire someone is you just let us know that the candidate that we have been working with you to interview is someone you do want to hire. We can then go into our account to create a private offer that we build directly to your AWS account. You can accept it, and the cost will then show up on your next AWS bill. So it's really that simple. Now, going past that, there's a number of reasons someone might want to apply staffing to the AWS Marketplace in their AWS bill. But a few that we've seen are really pretty common among all our customers. One is that usually the AWS bill falls under budgets for IT infrastructure, which are usually very different than your budgets for hiring. This allows you to move your permanent staffing fees to that AWS budget, which frankly usually has a lot more wiggle room and leniency than you usually would get from an HR budget. Anyone who's hired in the AWS space knows how expensive some of these employees can get and how quickly you have to move to get them hired before they accept another job. So having the ability to work from a different budget where you can get approval more quickly is oftentimes an enormous benefit for some of the CIOs we work with. Past that, another big factor is that some of the large companies we work with have already committed spends to AWS. They have made agreements with AWS where they've said they will spend X amount per month on AWS's offerings. In some months they do spend that much, and other months they don't quite meet it and still have to spend that much anyways on AWS. So if you're going to have to spend that much anyways, you typically want to at least get something, and you can actually apply these staffing fees directly to your monthly AWS spend. Now, as I said, that is just our chatbot functionality. We have much more coming in the near future, so I do want you guys to stay tuned because we're going to have the ability to search through a variety of nerds and use machine learning software to actually match you up with the best possible candidate for the roles that you're trying to fill. So by all means, find us on LinkedIn, find us on Instagram, find us on Facebook, on Twitter. We're active on all those socials, and we'll be providing everyone with updates as we get closer to launching our fully fledged Nerdly software. Thanks for everyone tuning in today, and we look forward to doing this again soon.